What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Crystal. Some of you guys may recognize me as Little Baller. I am your results and transformation coach, helping people to go from being stuck to becoming unstoppable. So, this morning we are about to make some protein waffles, or we're going to make a protein waffle. All right, so let's look at the ingredients here. We have our protein. I love the banana caramel Formula One, which come in several flavors. We got our eggs. We have our almond milk here. And when you pick up the almond milk, I like the 30 calorie, which is the lowest in calories. Tastes amazing and is unsweetened. And then we have baking powder. And if you're like me, I love chocolate chips. So I'm going to stir some chocolate chips in here as well. Some people will put nuts in here. You could put chocolate chips or you could put nothing at all. So let's get this party started. We're going to start off by popping in here. We're going to use 2 scoops of our banana caramel. Some people use banana caramel. Some people like pralines and cream. Some people like dulce. Even the cookies and cream Formula One, they use that as well to make waffles. So we got 2 scoops of Formula One, 2 scoops of protein. I'm going to sit this on the side. We're going to put a half a teaspoon of baking powder inside. If you want, you could sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon in. I like a little cinnamon in mine. A little bit of cinnamon. We're going to crack an egg in here. That's weird. It must have been twins. It was 2 egg yolks in here. We just gonna roll with it. And our almond milk. So we're gonna start off. Sometimes I know I'm looking for a certain consistency, but we're gonna start off with pouring in a 1/4 cup of milk, almond milk, which I think we might need a half a cup, but we're gonna start with a 1/4 cup. So I'm gonna pour it a 1/4 cup. I have my waffle maker on. We're gonna take our little whisk. I'm just gonna whisk it together. Whoa. See, this is why I take my time. Powder on the leg. Clean up on aisle 3. All right, so here we go. You just want to get so this looks like we did pretty good. I'm actually going to just pour a teeny, like a 1 little drop of milk. So that was a 1/4 cup of milk in a little drizzle. All right, so here we have it. Now, you don't have to stir your chocolate chips inside. If you want to, you can sprinkle them on top, but I'm going to just go ahead and put mine on the inside. And I'm going to put a half, actually, to make it easier, let's just put 2 teaspoons. Boom. Bam. All right, you see that? So now I'm just going to stir it in. There we have it. All right. Now we are going to, nice and hot. Just don't touch it. Spray. Just need a little bit of spray. And then we are going to, I like the 1, 2, 3, 4. Get it all in because 24 grams of protein. Now, for those of you that are doing 2 shakes a day, 1 meal and 2 snacks, you actually can have your waffle in place of one of your shakes. So I like to spread it around. All right. And then we're just going to close it. I'm going to turn it over. We're going to keep an eye on this because it says it's ready, but we just, okay, it turned off. There we go. All right, so that should let us know when it's ready. So again, you can replace this waffle with your breakfast. Sometimes at nighttime, you know how you just want something sweet but good for you, because we got goals, baby. Some of you guys are looking to gain some weight. Some of you guys are looking to release some weight. Some of you are just like, I want to feel amazing. So whatever it is, you can have your waffle at night if you choose. So just to recap, 2 scoops of protein, 2 scoops of Formula One. This is banana caramel. Other flavors that I know people love has been the cookies and cream, the dulce de leche, which is a caramel, the pralines and cream. You could sprinkle some nuts. You could sprinkle some almonds if you choose. I love cashews, but ooh, look at that. That's called overflow right there. Overflow. I love chocolate chips. And some people, you're like, girl, aren't you looking to lose weight? Yeah, you can have a few chocolate chips even if you're looking to release weight. So also, when I have my waffle, I love my tea hot in the morning, my chai tea. So, we'll have our tea in the morning, and then we'll have our second tea around lunchtime to give us that amazing energy to get through the rest of the day. So, how I make my chai tea, our herbal tea concentrate come in lemon, raspberry, peach, original, chai, and cinnamon. I love the chai for the morning. And when I do make my tea hot, I do not pour my aloe in it if I'm going to use my almond creamer, which I love in the morning. So if there's any of you guys that just love coffee and you're looking to break that, I gotta have 3, 4, 5 cups of coffee a day, reach out to me. The chai tea is phenomenal. So I'm going to just go ahead and have my little aloe shot on the side. It's early in the morning. Shot, 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 shot. So y'all can have fun with this. Anybody can do this, but I'm having my aloe. And my favorite is the mandarin aloe. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab me a plate. I'm gonna turn on the hot water, and I'm gonna show y'all how we gonna make this chai tea. Now, this is a cute little container. I like for my things to be cute in the house. So we're gonna take, I don't ever skip on the scoop. So we have our chai tea. I'm also going to add a half a teaspoon of our NRG tea. Our NRG tea is for mental clarity. So this has been a game changer for me as well. And then our probiotic. I'm going to put a scoop of probiotic inside. And you also could put a little bit of cinnamon in your chai tea if you like cinnamon too. So now that we have this in here, the water is boiling. Let me grab the water. Literally gonna pour it. Ooh la la. And what I love about the almond creamer is 25 calories. It's not going to kill you. It does have, though, let's see, it does have 4 grams of sugar in here. So if you want to keep sugar completely out of your diet, what you could do if you choose to, is to add the aloe inside of your tea instead. But this right here has been, like I said, a game changer for those of you that love coffee. So we have our tea, and I'm just going to check on our waffle because it seems like this waffle's been in here for a minute. Ta-da! Hey! All right. I'm not going to suggest that you guys do this, but I am a chef. Look at that. If you want, you could put a little bit of, I like for my waffle to look cute, a little bit of, I can't believe it's not butter. And I use the sugar-free syrup. So we're going to find, here's our sugar-free syrup at, here we go. And also another thing that is amazing, I have this Truvia confection sugar. It's like powdered sugar that tastes great too. So if you want, you can take and sprinkle, not on the floor though, not on the floor. Clean up on aisle 3. I'll be the cleanup person in a minute. Okay, so just a little spoon. I'm gonna use a. I'm so big on aesthetics. It's terrible. I always wanted this. I wanted to sprinkle properly. See? There we go. And y'all know my name is Crystal Carey. So, well, if you don't know now, you know it's Crystal Carey because y'all probably like, no, you say your name is Crystal, also known as Little Baller. But we have this sugar-free Carey syrup. So we're just gonna drizzle a little bit of syrup on here, and boom. Now I'm gonna say, if you guys are like me, this is amazing right here. But I love me some turkey bacon with my waffles. So I already had my turkey bacon ready because I knew that I was gonna be doing this video. Boom, boom, add a little protein. And there we have it. Boom. Oh wait, hold on. I gotta make this look right. I keep telling y'all anybody could do this. Here we go. Bam. So we have our waffle and we have our tea. Let's get it. So as always, guys, make sure you do something today that your future self is going to thank you for. Again, if you are, you may have stumbled across this video. If you're looking to gain weight, release some weight, want some more energy, want an amazing coach, and be a part of an amazing community, don't forget to reach out to me and do something today that your future self is going to thank you for. Holla!